Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Famous For by Tauren Wells. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then at the end I will break it down for you and explain it to you in more detail, so make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
There is no fear, 'cause I believe. There is no doubt, 'cause I have seen your faithfulness, my fortress, over and over. I have a hope found in your name. I have a strength found in your grace, your faithfulness, my fortress, over and over. Make way through the waters, walk me through the fire. Do what you are famous for, what you are famous for. Shut the mouth of lions, bring dry bones to life, and do what you are famous for, what you are famous for. I believe in you, I believe in you. Release your love inside of me. Unleash your power for all to see. Spirit, come, fall on us, over and over. Oh Lord, make way through the waters, walk me through the fire. Do what you are famous for, what you are famous for. Shut the mouth of lions, bring dry bones to life, and do what you are famous for, what you are famous for. God of exceedingly, God of abundantly, more than I ask or think. Lord, you will never fail. Your name is powerful, your words unstoppable. All things are possible in you. Make way through the waters, walk us through the fire. Do what you are famous for, what you are famous for. Shut the mouth of lions, bring dry bones to life, and do what you are famous for, what you are famous for. I believe in you, I believe in you, I believe in you, I believe in you.
Alright, so for this song we're going to be using 4 chords from the C chord family. We have the F over C chord, we have the A minor 7, and a G, and a C chord. For strumming, we're going to be using the hyperdrive pattern, which is an 8-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 8 down strums, and then at the end, after beat 8, we're going to have an up strum, and then we're going to repeat that pattern. Now, it's very important that we put emphasis on beats 1, 4, and 7, and that just means that we're going to strum harder on those beats and softer on everything else. So I'm just going to hold a G chord and play that strum pattern for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Now, in the verses, there's a transition that happens in the middle of a measure, so I want to go over that because sometimes that can be a bit tricky. So for the verse, we start off on the F over C chord for one measure, and then at the very end of that measure, we're going to switch to an A minor 7 just for 2 beats, so the last 2 beats of the measure. So that would be beat 7 and 8, since the measure is going to be 8 beats, right? We're going to be strumming 8 beats for each measure. On beats 7 and 8, those last 2, we're going to switch to A minor 7 for 2 beats, and then we're switching to a G on beat 1 of the new measure. So let me play that and count it out so you can hear what's happening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.